Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfoods.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take the time to click that bell icon just below on the menu today. As you can see, we're going to make a really simple Mexican-styled chicken. So you're just going to need a bit of chicken, some tomatoes, onions, garlic, a few other little bits. It's really, really easy. It doesn't take long, and it really is super easy. Beautiful with some white rice. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. So I've got some chicken there, just a few different parts, skin on and bone in. Some red kidney beans. They're from a can or a tin. If you're going to use them like that, make sure you give them a nice wash in some cold water. Some tomato concentrate or paste, onions, garlic, some fresh chili, some corn, 1 can of plum tomatoes which I've just chopped, and here I've got some taco seasoning. I'll stick a little link up on how to make that, a very short video on how to make that stuff, very easy. I'm going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add some salt, of course. Very simple, let's go and do it. So I've got a pan, or whatever you want to use, a saucepan or whatever you like. I've got a touch of olive oil in there. You could be using something else, of course. And then we're going to drop in, like I said, those chicken parts. We're going to add some salt to that now, and hit it with a little bit of black pepper. And what we're going to be doing is just frying this around, just to give it a nice head start, for about 4 to 5 minutes. See you then. Okay, so absolutely nowhere near cooked, but it's got a nice little head start and a little bit of colour on it. We're now going to drop in some onions. I'm using red and sliced. Garlic, chopped. I've got quite a lot there. I kind of like that amount. Then that taco or fajita seasoning. Like I say, I'm going to pop a little video up on how to make that. Certainly don't buy it. It's the worst value in the world, that stuff. You get that packet, it's got nothing in it, and it's so easy to make. You can make a load of it for nothing. So don't waste your money on that stuff ever again. Right, there we go. About another 3 or 4 minutes. We're on quite a lively heat, as you can see or hear. Keep it moving. At this stage I'm going to add those kidney beans, or you could be using a white bean or something if you want. That corn, which I think I forgot to even mention that. Again, this is a canned corn. You could be using frozen or fresh if you like. A little bit of fresh chili. Now, if you want, you'd think about carrots, peppers, some other veggies in there. If you're doing carrots and celery, for example, you want them to go in now. 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to throw this around. Then we're ready for the next step. So easy. Right, now that can of tomatoes. Then we're going to go with that concentrate or paste, whatever you call that. And that's kind of like one of those little kind of Tetra Pak sizes. I'm also going to add that glass of cold water in there. Give this a mix. Let it go for about 2 or 3 minutes on this kind of fairly high heat. Then drop the heat down, not to a simmer, but above a simmer. And then just let this go now for about 8 to 9 minutes, depending on the size that you cut your chicken parts. Give it a stir every now and then. It's pretty much done. Okay, and as you can see, that's thick and darkened, got a little bit sort of deeper in colour, and that chicken's cooked perfectly. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt. Now, if you wanted, you could put some cilantro or coriander in there. I'm actually going to add mint today. I like a little bit of fresh mint in the mix. And that's it. This is good with some nice white rice. Really simple. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll pop that taco mix up link now with a few other recipes. See you soon. Lots of love.